Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's that time again. We are having our team meeting last night and we did our swaps. And so you guys have been so interested in looking at the swaps, and I just love sharing how many great, like, oh my gosh, I say this every month. I am so humbled because I think I do pretty good cards. And then I look at everybody else's cards and I'm like, oh man, I got a lot to learn. So let me go ahead and show you. I always start with my card first. This one was mine. It is a new set that's going to be coming out in June. It is so cute. I cannot wait. And then I got this. I got the little lighthouse, and it says, "You are my true north." And that is my card. And then I made 10 of them and got to swap with 10 other people. So let me go ahead and show you theirs. So we've got, I'm going to move these out of the way here. We've got this one from Lori, and it's said "all geared up to celebrate," and it's got all those great papers that are have like garage grunge kind of stuff on them, and super cute. And then this one says, "You jumpstart my heart," with a little puddle there. This paper is going to be retiring, you guys. So I'm going to do a lot on retiring this month because I want you to be able to get the items that you want. So starting now until the end, you can order until June 3rd, as long as it's available. If it is all sold out, then unfortunately we're out of luck. But that is still available as of right now. And then we've got this one here, all geared up. Same, using the designer series paper like this. And then they've got the car and some of the dies. This is called, again, all geared up to celebrate. This is carrying over. The paper is not. And this one was by Cheryl Schmidtke, I think is how you say her last name. I'm not sure. So then we've got this one here. This is from Debbie Reilly. Super cute. Let me take it out of the plastic here. Super cute little nice easy birthday card there. Very cute. Okay, maybe I'll leave them in the plastic because then I have to put them back in because I don't want to forget who made them. And if you guys know me, you know I love this little set with the little dog and then the punch that goes with it. And then, let's see, this is done by Patty. And maybe I'm not sure what's going on here. I don't know where this paper came from. I'm going to have to ask her. So anyways, super cute. Oh my goodness. I just love it. This one is really pretty too. And then this one is from Carrie. And look at how cute that is. This is all done with sponging. And then the stamps of the cactus and the little succulent there. But so nice. And then it looks like she stamped on the background as well. Isn't that a super card? You guys, make sure you give these thumbs ups because they do such a good job. And you have to make so many of them. So we've got this one here. Let me see who this one's by. Let's see. It's really cute. A lot of people use the all geared up. And what we did, excuse me, I'm so sorry. I just love this set. I'm so glad that it's carrying over. And then this one, this one was made by my downline Gail Brantley. Very cute. And what was I going to say about this? I was going to say something about this card, but that it is carrying over, and I'm so glad that it is. But the theme is manly. That's what I was talking about. And so you'll notice that all of these are kind of very manly cards, something you could give to a man for Father's Day or his birthday or, you know, whatever. But we've been talking a lot about there's not a lot of man birthday cards or a lot of man cards in general. So I just love this. I'm going to cover up her address there, but look at the back on this. So cute. Thank you, Gail, for this as well. She actually put this in here in a little note. It said 1 extra card for Jean, so it looks like I may have had 11 cards. That is so sweet. And then there's this one here, and this one is so creative. This one is by Lori Getz, and that is so cute. Look at this little lasso type of thing there. I got that, Lori. And it's a great little happy birthday card. And then she has it in there rather nicely. I haven't seen it done up like that before, but that's really cute. So very nice. And this is the circled stitch framelits. So nice. Look at, it's just edge, edge, edge. So cute. But look at that right there. That's so cute. It's those little touches. And then just having this on there. That ribbon. Super cute. And let's see what else we've got. We've got 2 more. And this one says, "You're a classic." This one, I mean, you can see just having this one set how well it is. And then this one is from Donna Kish. And she's also using that designer series paper that's going to be retiring. But look at this great fancy fold. This girl is so talented, I'll tell you. So, very cute. Nice card there. And then I was lucky enough to, although I wasn't on her swap team, I was able to get the winning card because she gave me one. Look at how cute. Oh, here we go. Now, can you tell what it is? I'm going to open this up. And this one was done by Kathy Belcher. And oh my gosh, I was so lucky to be able to get one of her cards that she saved for me. So that was so nice. I don't know that she saved it for me, but she was very kind in giving it to me. So, and she gave instructions so that we can make it. But look, you think it's just a card? Nope, it's not. It is an actual grill, you guys. Check this out. Can you see that? It's a grill. So it sits like this. You can see there. You see the grill marks. And then look. And then look. Oh. This one got done upside down. You guys, we do that sometimes. I'm going to have to tell her. But sometimes we do that. I mean, I've had entire swaps done upside down. And you don't recognize it until after you've already given it. But that is okay. It's still, you get the idea. You guys, how cute is this that it opens up like that? I just love it. And you guys, I have asked her, I talked to her, I said, would you be willing to come in and make this card on my channel? So she agreed. So if you would like to see this made, give me a thumbs up and let me know down below. Just put in the comments, yes, bring Kathy on. But look at how cute. And we did talk about it. You guys, this is retiring. These items are retiring. So if you want to make something like this, you need to do it. You need to order your set now. And then if you want to see how this is made, we will bring Kathy on to show you how she made this awesome card. So, and this DSP, you guys, this wood grain designer series paper pack is retiring. I'm so very sad about that. But if you want that, make sure that you order it right away. All right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day. It is the last day of April, so I cannot wait. Tomorrow, I will be ordering the Everything is Rosy because it comes out tomorrow, and they did not let us order in advance. We have to wait and order with all of you. So I will be doing a class. I'll be doing a live class with anybody who orders that Everything is Rosy tomorrow, and we'll do it sometime mid-May. I'll get all that information out. If you are a newsletter subscriber, then you will get that information. Otherwise, make sure you go to my link down below, jeanpersani.stampinup.net, and request my newsletter. You can also go to beautyandthestamper.com, and a pop-up will appear where you can type in and be added to the newsletter. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.